Good morning everyone. Welcome to
Kamay
Coast here in Bataan, guys.
Very, very. Everybody.
Eat and the sun. Yes. Time check. 12:30 guys. So this is our first time para yung mag-ferry going here. So okay naman siya, napaka-accessible niya. Yes. Summer Philippines. So this is our, I think it's 6th time, right?
Yeah.
Many times siya. So ang ganda ng dagat. Summer na summer siya. So yan, sa Kabaya.